Tall tower has its base at point K. 3 points A, B, C are located at distance of 4 meters, 8 meters and 16 meters respectively from K. So this is K, A, B, C. This is 4, this is 4, this is 8. 4, 8, 16. The angles of elevation of the top of the tower from A and C are complementary. So from A, this is alpha, 90 minus alpha. Right? Nice. What are the angle of elevation of the tower's top from B? Right, so say the tower has a height of h, tan alpha is h by 4. This is 90 minus alpha. Remember, this is K, A, B, C. Let's say this is tower T, TK, TKA. We're considering triangle TKA doing this. If we take triangle TKC, angle KTC is alpha. That is 90 minus alpha. This whole angle is alpha. Tan alpha, opposite by adjacent, is 16 by K. H by 4 is equal to 16 by H. Sorry. H by 4 is 16 by H. H square is 64. H is 8. It cannot be minus 8, obviously. H is 8, or this is not H. This is 8 meters. Then, what is the angle of elevation of the tower's top from B? This is 8. This is 8. It's an isosceles straight angle triangle, or it is 45 degrees. Right. Nice, beautiful question. Very routine trigonometry question. One point of information which I thought had been overlooked. It says 3 points A, B and C are located at a distance of 4, 8 and 16 meters respectively from K on the same straight line, but actually that's not required. A, B, C could be in different straight line and this will still work.